What's going on, guys? I got another BoxLunch haul for y'all. Space Jam! We got this sweet Space Jam backpack that was on clearance. Check that out. I'm a big Space Jam fan. And it's got the Toon Squad on the back. And what do we got here? Ooh. We got Detective Pikachu! Hey! And what's really cool about this is it has 12 phrases, and you can change the voice from Ryan Reynolds to Detective Pikachu. It's time to get Schwifty, y'all. We got this sweet summer Rick and Morty, not the summer character, summer of the season, woven button up. Check this out, guys. This is sweet. And what I love about this is that they're wearing the shirt on the shirt. This is Schwifty. Very Schwifty. Alright, so the Pikachu had a little string that I had to pull. Now let's hear Pika, Pikachu. Pikachu, Pika, Pika, Pikachu. Well, what do you know? I didn't even have to press anything. Let's change the voice.
Buckle up. Oh, thank goodness for the hat. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to tell which one of us is the detective. There's magic that brought us together, and that magic is called hope.
If he says I feel it in my jellies, I'm gonna laugh.
Hold up a second. We're gonna need each other. Look, you can talk to humans. I can talk to Pokemon. We can talk to each other. Bingo. El jefe, por favor. Thunderbolt is my best attack move, right? Okay. Let's do this Pokemon battle thing right. Whee!
And this is my little Pikachu. Lucky here. And Lucy. Ooh, come on. Alright. Another thing that I got from Fuego. Boom. Scooby-Doo boxers. Alright, guys. Thanks for checking out this haul video. If you liked it, please leave a comment what your favorite phrase is, what you thought of Detective Pikachu, what you think of Rick and Morty. Just drop a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more.